So as you first walk in, you will see my intercom over here and my little mudroom. I try to keep everything organized, but messes happen. I have my kitchen over here. I have my bathroom, and if you look over here, I also have my cat and my whole bedroom area, TV, living space, and the makeup desk that you love see over there. I will go through the kitchen area first. So in here, I have a full freezer. I don't know what's in here. A lot of treats. And then in the bottom one is my fridge where I keep my water. And mainly it's condiments in here because I don't usually go out and buy a bunch of stuff. In here is my pantry stuff. So all my pantry goods and items. I love this cabinet. It has a Lazy Susan on it, so that's nice. And then in here, I have all my teas, my cakes, my chocolate. All my sweet stuff is in here. This is the drawer I mostly go to because why not? I also have condiments in here and bubble tea that I haven't been able to use yet, but I will. In here is my knife set and knife drawer. I want to get one of those knife magnetic strips and put them up here, but I just haven't recently. Over here is all of my plates, bowls, all that good stuff is up here. I have my water heater and my microwave that I use a lot. And over here is utensils, salt, pepper. And up here are my glasses and my cups. I use them all the time. I love this setup. It's good for my height because I'm short. And then over here is my stove and I love it. I don't really use the oven part. I would, but I just don't use it a lot, and I just use the stovetop over here. I moved this from over there because this plug wasn't working, but I gotta switch it back, and someday I'll switch it back, but I'm not sure yet. Up here I have all my ramen, my pasta. You could probably call me I'm just like Farina, but no, I'm not really like Farina. I mean, we have pasta sauce, we have Alfredo. I also got the BT21 BTS noodles. I don't really like them. But yeah, I got mac and cheese, all that good stuff. And then down below here, I keep in this cabinet my spices and mac and cheese that I got from Costco. So that was the Annie's bowl. And then if I buy any Costco stuff, I put it down here for more storage options. Moving over here, you have my little sink. I usually keep this space clean. I put dirty dishes and I clean them and then I dry them. I use this dishwasher a ton. It's great for putting dishes in, and also it's convenient for me because it's not a big bulky one, and that's what I love about this. Under here, I actually showed you loves my cleaning process, but I actually didn't clean this. Has my trash bin. I don't like the bigger trash bins because if I had a bigger trash bin, my cat would knock it over or something. So I just like to keep it small, and that also reduces waste. Over here, I want to go. So you might wonder, so this is my storage closet, and I have these things blocking it because if you can see my cat claws, that little area for some reason. And then in here, I'm not going to show you his litter, but it's over here. And then up here I keep my Christmas tree, but this is where the wires and cables are. I have my beach bag that I bring everywhere with me, and then some outfits that I don't really like. As we come into the bathroom, it's a pretty nice bathroom. I have on the side, this is my cart. I haven't organized it, but it has my perfumes and skincare, floss and cotton swabs and a bunch of lotion. I love this lotion. I gotta get more. I gotta buy some more. I'm running low on that. And all my shampoos. I don't need all these shampoos, but you know what? I have these shampoos and they might as well be used. I have my towels down here. And over here I have these ones I got from Grand today, and then these ones are my towels that I use for the shower. This actually is something I need to hand wash. And then over here is the map of the United States. I don't know why I like it so much. Haven't hung it up, but it's nice. And then I have my little bath mat, and I also have my dirty laundry bin. Over here I have the second mirror. I actually figured this hack out. If you're ever looking for more storage space, just put a little 3-tier cart and then put a longer mirror in the back of it, and then you have more space and it looks better, I guess. I don't know. I figured out that hack when I was shopping. But down here I have the trash, and I also have cleaning products that I use, like a mini vacuum and first aid. Not really special. Behind this mirror, I'm not going to show you, loves, but behind this mirror, it's like where I keep my Advil and all my stuff and contacts. I also have my Genshin merch, so I have I have some necklaces. Well, I have that one necklace from the Wanderer, and I have the 2 bags from Genshin that I love, and then I have my bathrobe hanging off of that. And then we come up to the kitchen. These are my new addition, because I didn't show you, loves, this last time, but this, I will do a tour on this. But this is where you walk in, you see my cat stuff, my cat food bowl, and then over here you see my display case. So this is brand new. And I showed you, loves, this already, but I'll show you again. I keep all my games, books, magazines, my printer down there, and I think it's great storage. Over here I have my photo frames, so I have my cosplay frames and also just fun little frames, and I have a candle that I don't use because we're not allowed to use candles. And in here is all my cosplay stuff, so all my lashes, all my extras. I also keep tripods, so I have my tripod over here right now, and then in here, I think I showed you, loves, these like a lot, but I have all my wigs in here, so all my wigs are in this storage bin. I think it's great for that purpose. And then over here is all my cosplays, so all my costumes ranging from CL to Genshin to House Moving Castle. Little cat carrier. And then over here is my living room, so I actually put this blanket up because my cat loves to jump on the couch and make a mess of it, and I put this coat up here so he wouldn't claw at the couch. He's been doing that. Over here is my makeup desk. This is where I have Zoom calls and meetings. It's pretty simple. I love this vanity desk. I'm so glad I bought it. And then the chair that goes with it. I have my cane in the corner, because why not? I also keep my planner and budget planner over here. And then in here, I'm not going to show you, loves, because I already showed you, loves, that one, but it has all my makeup. I guess, yeah, it has all my makeup in here. Little cat toys, and then a little scratcher. Over here, you come over to my room. And this is my bed. These sheets are actually new because Gran got these, and I want to put them on my bed. My cat's sleeping right now. Hi, baby. Hi, honey. This is a blanket I had to wash. Over here, this is my nightstand. So I have my tarot deck, and I also have my little perfumes. I have my chapstick, my pens. In here, I can't show you because it's kind of messy in there. I'm not going to show you. But I also have my library books and my journal. I love this lamp. It's super pretty during the night. But over here, I usually do like jazz music or anything like that. And I keep it on or watch TV. I think it's the perfect spot when I'm laying down. Come here. Oh, hi, baby. Hi, baby. He's such a cutie. My cat tree that's destroyed, that my cat destroyed. And then, yeah, pretty much that's it, loves. There will be, I think I want to do a tour of this cabinet, but I'm gonna save that for later since it's kind of messy, and I'll do that later.